Is everyone ready? Okay.
Kind of weird.
Why? Okay. Thank you. Chloe, close your computer.
When I'm gonna be at night in that plane in Florida.
Where are you going?
To Florida tonight.
Tonight?
Yes.
Huh? Let me see. Why? You don't want to eat it? Okay. Thank you.
Just trying to get my keychain there. Then I thought that it was a necklace that had the circle right here. There's
Okay.
but like in the middle of the night,
Mm-hmm.
my watch there.
Why? Oh, okay.
Cause like, and it's wrong. It doesn't correct.
True. What's that? Thank you.
That's mine.
No.
Hello, sir. I wonder.
What this? You're welcome. What? Yeah, I know. Thank you. Huh? I like it. Thank you. Alright? Alright, close now. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
When she was at practice, a girl accidentally kicked her in the leg. Then she rolled her to like cut.
Okay.
And then she didn't.
Mm.
And mom said that she had a rest
Okay.
in a picture.
Okay.
Then my sister accidentally.
Let's read from this out loud. So if you get stuck, I will tell you the words so you try your best, okay? Start here and don't skip the line. Begin.
A puppy needs love and care just like a.
Alright, so I'm going to read some sentences and I want you to repeat them back to me. Make sure you say exactly what I say. Here is the first sentence. The girl in the field was playing her guitar.
The girl in the field was playing the guitar.
Kathy is throwing her ball.
Kathy is throwing her ball.
Good job. Perfect. See? You got it perfect. Oh, you want me to open? Perfect. Let's try some more. Okay? Say the girl jumped from the top of the steps.
The girl jumped on the top of the steps.
I think he's at work.
I think he's at work.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Oh, really?
Yes. No other instructions.
Oh. Oh.
I'm on pack it up like that. I don't know that.
Okay. Here.
Oh.
What's next?